in those facilities where the vision is unclear or fragmented, how do you guide the teams to build a unified roadmap that aligns frontline reality, the workers there, with the boardroom expectations?
Yeah, there's a thing that I call the carrot and the stick, and you need both the carrot that incentivize people to do the right things and change behavior, and then you need the stick every once in a while to help them move forward and get them going. And I think both those things are really important with the alignment to the vision and seeing people change their behavior. People do what they're rewarded to do, and if you don't change the rewards, if you don't give them the carrot, they won't change their behavior. And then every once in a while, people will resist just because they've done something the same way for a long time. And then, you need a little bit of the stick to carry them along.